1 week ago, I uploaded this file to Google Drive. Since, I have made $680 online in that week, $245 today, and over 190 prospects and leads in my business that is bringing me in passive income. Now it's time to show you how you can do this yourself. If you truly want to make a living of making money online, I'm talking about being able to pay for your expenses, being able to pay for your food, your home, your loans, and run a successful online business. What I'm about to show you today is just a taste of selling products online. What applies with this simple Google Drive document applies with $200,000, $10,000 products, $1 million homes, $2 million homes, $5 million cars, spamming affiliate links on Facebook groups, running Facebook ads with no real strategy, creating content on YouTube without understanding the algorithm. These are the worst things to do. By doing this, you are wasting precious time and the chance to make real money online. The extreme algorithm and blueprint to do this has changed a lot over time. It requires these three things: something that delivers good value, an audience to put that in front of, to cause them to have a certain feeling. People buy based on emotion, not the product or service that you have to offer. You must spend as much time on each of these to successfully, continuously make money online, much like I'm going to do with this simple Google Drive document. I want to show you a bit of a testimony of somebody who's done this, who's making thousands of dollars, and he's made over 177 sales so far at $9.99. So he has currently made 177 times $9.99 over $1,768 off this simple Google Drive document. How exactly is he doing this? I'm going to teach you exactly how you can do this through a simple Instagram page and get these sales every single day. Quick glance into this Google Drive. It consists of 3D animated icons, newspaper, magazine templates, animated and still textures, animated icons, film burn transitions, Danco assets, grid backgrounds, overlays, sound effects, textures, money overlays, hand animations, glow icons, and much more. All this guy has done is he's created a video editing themed Instagram page. He creates these simple edits in CapCut you need in editing. He showcases all of his transitions, his icons, the actual Google Drive, and he will tell you at the end of the video to comment the word file like that, and I will send it over. A ton of people commenting the word file, and what he does is he sends them a link to this Gumroad page, which if I head over to this page, all of these assets over here that he's selling through his Instagram page that he's now made $1,700 for. And do not worry, I'm going to show you exactly how you can edit these types of videos. Come over to CapCut.com. and you can go and download CapCut video editing software completely for free, which allows me to make edits like this. 1 week ago, I uploaded this file to Google Drive. Since, I have made $680 online in that week, $245 today, and over 190 prospects and leads in my business that is bringing me in passive income. Now it's time to show you. Allows me to apply all my transitions, my overlays, the characters. This is one of the most viral editing software tools that you can use right now. And I'm going to teach you how you can edit your content, much like this guy is doing on his page, to sell products through your Instagram page. From day one, he's not a very big page, only 5,000 followers. And all he's doing is showcasing all of these elements in these types of reels, showing the loading bars and giving you a call to action on how you can get them. For example, comment the word glow icon down below and I will send over the link, and he sends you over the link. And a lot of people buy this stuff because video editing right now in 2024 is a huge industry, but it's a perfect place and a big sweet spot right now for you to make money from it. Two things, very important that you listen here. If you want to learn how you can go and edit to sell your product to an audience, make sure to leave a like. Make sure to subscribe down below and comment down below the word edit. And I will send you two things. A link to a 15-minute tutorial that's going to teach you how you can edit like this specifically in CapCut. CapCut is completely free, by the way. And I will send you the link to this Google Drive folder where you can start selling this through your Instagram page and start making this money online. The next thing that this gentleman does to make $1,700 online selling these Google Drive folders is he creates a simple funnel and an opt-in page and a checkout page where he can deliver this asset to his client after they've paid him. Come over to ClickFunnels.com. Now, if you want a done-for-you funnel template for the strategy already, I will leave a link in the description to ClickFunnels, and it will add 44 free funnel templates to your account. So I'm going to log in with my existing account. By the way, it's free for 14 days, so you can try this for 2 weeks. And if you get sales, you can let your Instagram page kind of pay for this tool yourself. Come over to Funnels, click on Create Funnel on the top right-hand side, and let's quickly go and create this. I'm going to go and select a product launch funnel. So click on product launch because we're launching a new product to our audience. And you can see a bunch of different templates that you will get to your account. Again, if you want these added to your account, you can use the link down below. You can click on preview, choose a color theme that you like. I generally like blue. So I'm going to click on preview template of this one. And this is a really good landing page. What we could incorporate is a picture of our asset pack. And we can mention in this text, asset pack that has made content creators thousands of dollars online. And they can enter their name and email and get access to this asset pack for a certain fee. So we can go and click on select funnel and add this funnel to our account. It'll take a couple of seconds. And as you can see, we're installing your new funnel. Click on customize now and we can go and edit this funnel. You can see each and every step in this funnel. Let's edit our first page by clicking on edit. And we can go and edit this page in the live editing builder inside of ClickFunnels. To go and create an image like this for our product, come over to canva.com and look for the course template. It's called online course. You can search up online course and click on this template and you'll see over here, it gives you like this phone, the laptop, the PC. So what we can do is we can delete all of this, all the background contents. We don't need any of that text. I'm just interested in this. And now we can come over to our Google Drive document and we can screenshot this. For example, like this. We can come back to Canva, click on uploads, click on upload files, and click on pictures, screenshots, and upload our screenshot that we've just taken a screenshot of. And this will now upload to Canva. And we can drag and drop these pictures into our templates over here. So come back to the Google Drive, we can zoom in on it a bit, and we can get a portrait list like this as well for the phone template. So again, we can click on upload files and upload that new screenshot. And we can drag and drop that into our images. Just like this. Perfect. So now what we can do is we can highlight everything, click Control A, drag it to the center, click on share, click on download, click on transparent background, and click on download. And this picture will now download to your PC. Come back to your funnel builder, click on this image, click on new image URL over here, this little image icon. We can then click on upload images and upload that picture we've just created on Canva. Select it, and there we go. It now looks like this. Now we can type here, discover the CapCut asset pack that has made creators thousands in days. Learn how to edit to sell to your audience. Perfect. That's all we need. Okay, we can delete this little section over here. And this is all we need. We can type here, get access now. Just like that. A simple opt-in page where we secure their name and email. Click on save. Come over to your order form page, which is page number 3. And over here, we can go and replace the same image with the same image that we've just uploaded. We can click on this picture and we can type over here. If we come over to our Google Drive, some of these items, 3D animated icons. We can type here, 3D animated icons. Remove this from bold and we can make this value $97. Next would be grid backgrounds. We can put here viral grid backgrounds. Unbold that and we can make this 147 in value. Money overlays. We can highlight this, click on bold, and we can make this value $67. Next, we can have paper overlays, and we can make this value $87. Next asset, Danco assets. Bonus. Danco assets. We can make this value $297. Next, we can have sound effects pack. Sound effects pack. And then finally, we can have paper fold animations. Click on bold And there we go. We can make this 137 and 97. And we can calculate this total value at 97 plus 147 plus 67 plus 87 plus 297, 137 plus 97, $929. And today only for $29. So we're going to be making $29 every time we get a sale on the specific product. We need to go and configure our product and our check-in page. So we can click on save over here. We can just change this text here. Simple 2-minute process. Like that. Click on save. We need to click back over here on the top left-hand side. Click on back again. Click on products. Click on all products. Click on create new product. And we want to type here, drive asset pack. Description, the editing asset pack. Digital product, click on create product. And we can set our fee at $29 at a one-time fee. Click on set price, click on select images. And we can upload or select the same image that we edited on Canva. For our purchase actions, we need to select digital asset access. Click on OK. Click on new digital asset, file name, upload files. What you'll need to do is you'll need to come over to this Google Drive, click on this drop down and click on download, and then upload that asset file by clicking on upload file and double click that subfolder that you've downloaded from Google Drive. Click on create file or the name, asset pack zip. Click on create file, select that file and click on save. And click on OK. That is now complete. We can come back to our funnels, click on funnels, click on our funnel that we were just editing. It'll usually be the one at the top. Come over to your form page, click on edit, click on this big checkout. This will pop up on the left-hand side. Click on product select, click on edit products, click on add product, and select your drive asset pack. And now your checkout is complete. So here you will see they enter their email, phone number, the address, their card number, and they click on submit, and you will go and get paid. To go and set up your payouts is very simple. Go and select all the way back to your ClickFunnels dashboard. Click on Payments AI on the left-hand side. Once you've logged in, click on Gateways on the top left-hand side. You can connect your Stripe account, your PayPal account, your Coinbase account if you want to get paid via crypto, or your Payments AI account, which is already inside of ClickFunnels, or your Klarna or NMI account to get paid. You just click on connect, log in with one of these accounts, and it will automatically connect. So that means when you get your sales on ClickFunnels through your funnels, you will now go and get sales to that particular Stripe or PayPal account where you can withdraw your money. From there, go and create a video editing asset Instagram page like this. Start creating content like this. Like I said, if you have no idea how to create content like this, follow pages like this and get ideas and use the tutorial that I'm giving you in today's video to go and edit like this. It's not difficult to learn. It's a really handy skill that can make you a ton of money online, just like this guy is doing, selling these assets through Instagram pages via his funnel page. With that being said, guys, make sure to comment down below, asset, and I will send you the link to the Google Drive for the strategy and also the editing tutorial that will teach you how to edit like this to sell that file and make money doing so.